You're not trying to like do a deep chemical peel every day, okay, on your skin. Some people I know are doing like the cleansing brush, the scrub, and then they're using like 10% lactic acid on their face and then a 2% salicylic, and then they're wondering why their skin is red and inflamed and not healing from acne. Well, hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here, and if you are new, welcome, and if you love this info, please hit that red button and subscribe. I am Cody, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin of your life. Today I'm going to answer a question that I get quite a bit. That's what I'm kind of doing, is answering some questions, because I've gotten so many more questions and subscribers. Thank you all the new people. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting me with your time and watching all these videos, and thank you to all the people that have been here the whole time and that continue to watch my videos after all this time and are not sick and tired of hearing my voice yet. So answer a question that is interesting, and that is a question that is very confusing, and it is if you can exfoliate while using Retin-A. Can I exfoliate when using Retin-A because my doctor said this and this esthetician said that and blah 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 blah? I can only share what works for me, what I share with my clients, and all of the research that I've read. So here's what I believe. Of course you can use an exfoliant when using Retin-A. You just want to use less of that and be cautious because your skin will be a little bit more sensitive when you're using Retin-A. But by all means, you can use a 10% alpha hydroxy cleanser like I have. A lot of people that I have using Retin-A in my office use this because it's gentle, but it really works. And because Retin-A is regenerating brand new skin, and that flakiness that you see is the regeneration of brand new baby skin, sometimes it's nice to exfoliate that off so that your skin just feels more clean and refreshed. And also you can exfoliate before using Retin-A, which will help the Retin-A penetrate deeper into the skin. There's no issue with that. You don't want to scrub your skin necessarily unless it's a really gentle scrub, but you could also use a washcloth, or you could do like a little bit of maybe a light brush, but you don't want to get too crazy with any type of active stimulation of like scrubbing or anything. But by all means, you can use a very nice exfoliating cleanser or like a little treatment solution. It's going to penetrate deeper, so you might get a little bit more red or sensitive, but you might get a quicker result, a better result, and end up having to use that Retin-A actually a little less. So just know yourself, check in with yourself, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, but you can definitely exfoliate. Just be cautious, be gentle, and make sure that you always wear that sunscreen when you're exfoliating and using Retin-A, because you're doing a 2-in-1, which is quite an aggressive treatment for the skin. The skin loves it. Run the chance of the skin becoming a little bit more sensitive or sensitized if you overly exfoliate your skin, which some people do. You don't need to exfoliate that much, only the top layer. But you're not trying to like do a deep chemical peel every day, okay, on your skin. Some people I know are doing like the cleansing brush, the scrub, and then they're using like 10% lactic acid on their face and then a 2% salicylic, and then they're wondering why their skin is red and inflamed and not healing from acne and just causing a lot of issues, and especially it just feels very raw to touch. So just be a little more gentle, but you can definitely exfoliate when using Retin-A, and I highly recommend it. Just be cautious, be careful. If you love this video, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will see you very soon in a new video. Remember to always stay gorgeous.